Good morning, everybody. Today we are replacing the engine air filter for 2025 Ford Bronco, and we don't need too many tools for that. Only tools we need will be in this here, the Ford Bronco kit that came with the vehicle. We need to first open up and see what's in here. Perfect. Oh, it's a K&N filter. I'm just gonna need to go and pop the hood, which you do by pulling this latch here and do this. There you go. Okie doke. Okay, this is the K&N filter, and it's supposed to go 30,000 kilometers or 18,000 miles. So that's the filter itself. And now, before doing that, we have to take this off. So it's going to take IP30 bit that comes with our toolkit, and we can always use this ratchet. See, Bronco's made this stuff pretty easy. Most of the things you need to do is just all the tools you might need on a drive. They are all in here. Okay, so some people, what they do is like where they take this out. I don't do that. We don't need to do that. All we need to do is there we go. It's okay. I got it. You got it? Take the other one. So you can just pick this up like this and then move it to the side. There we go. So this is our filter. It doesn't. So just lift it up and push it back at the same time. Just do that. There we go. It's a Ford Bronco. It's Ford Motor Company. It doesn't look that bad, but you know, if I look in there, there is some nasty stuff in there. Like, and I'm gonna put this in here, and let's see. Yep, they look about the same. I don't believe there's any difference in there. Basically they look the same. It's not much difference. So let's install this. Make sure there's not too much debris in there. You know what, let me just clean this up before I install the filter. So we'll just clean it with a microfiber. It wasn't that dirty anyways, but if I'm installing a filter, you know, why not? Okay, so there's a ridge here, the plastic, and make sure that comes in between these two or these two or these two, doesn't matter. But this cannot go at 6 o'clock. Like this one needs to, like any one of these needs to be at 12. So this protrusion comes in between one of these. All right, so first you angle it like this and make sure it sits up here, and then you can push it down like your feelings. Let's go. There we go. And now we're gonna put this cover back, and that is it. Okay, and And this is the last one. I don't know why I have a strange feeling I need to clean this up. I don't know where the feeling came from, but I'm gonna clean this up, and there we go. That's the install of K&N Air Filter. So they give you a K&N sticker, so when a routine service, the techs don't take your filter out and discard it. And I'm just gonna put it on the top of the box that we just cleaned, and there we go. See you guys later. Like, share, and subscribe, and be safe out there.